strap check?
We will when we get to the gas station.
It's fine. Let's just go 70 up 85 south for 19 we'll check it later. If you ain't talking projects, I don't want to talk.
Welcome back! Another video. I'm Dusty Mac, D-Mac. We in the Back 40 Fab Shop. Today's video is going to be a cool one. You're going to see us go get another project. Another project. Now, we got the C10 shop truck behind me. We'll get some more videos of that coming soon. The in and outer rocker repair, finishing it. Patina and clear coat the body. But today we're going to take you on the journey and you're going to get to see what project we get today. A few things. You're going to see why you should not buy two-wheel drive trucks if you plan on pulling anything. Because I get stuck on TikTok. I got two videos of me getting stuck. One of them's got over almost 150,000 views. The other one's got almost 40,000 views. You're going to see why you don't buy a two-wheel drive pickup. You'll see a clip of Junior. You'll see my cuz, Brian Hicks, B. Hicks. You'll see him come rescue me in his Chevy 4x4. He had to save the day, pull me out. He went along for the journey along with our shop dog Junior. Just a cool vlog style video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Sit back, relax, enjoy the video. Alright, so we found just listed Facebook Marketplace. We got to get the trailer loaded, we got to go and get it. So come along for the ride. Let's go! Buy two-wheel drive trucks. They're made tough. I love it. So my friggin' truck's stuck again. This is like the gazillionth time in my life. Never owned a four-wheel drive truck my whole entire life. My dad never did. My papa never did. Started this new job about 2 years ago. The guys give me a hard time about having a two-wheel drive truck, saying that you got to special order them. I've got stuck more in my whole life since that. So that's awesome. And I'm not taking up for my truck no more, because I used to try to defend it, say it was a good truck. It sucks. Watch it blow up now on me. Plan B.
we stop him?
Nah. Come on, Tammy. Sorry, people. Gotta get where we're going.
We doing the dang thing, dude.
Use the right lane to take the I-85 South ramp.
You gonna do a strap check?
We will when we get to the gas station.
It's fine. Let's just go 70
On
up
I-85 South for
We'll
19
check it later.
miles.
If you ain't talking projects, I don't want to talk.
My brother's here. Let's go check out what we got. All right, so in here we got the old straight 6, and she has seen better days. Spark plugs is already out. But anyways, how was your drive?
Long.
Huh?
Long.
How long?
6.5 hours.
You want to do it again?
No.
No? Did you have a blast?
No, not at all.
Let's see what we got here. Anyways, we'll get it out and take a better look.